Unless there's an urgency to exit.
Grabe oh.
We'll connect with you.
Mag-video ka na, Dad. Ikaw na, marunong ka sa ganyan.
Finally, relax.
Relax daw, hindi kami
Kaya kausapin ko,
cannot
kuya.
relax now without
Without the driver.
Oh. First time in my life.
Safe kaya tayo na.
Safe tayo.
Ayos na.
We're inside the Waymo car.
Arrive in 19 minutes.
Kuya, say hi. What's the feeling?
Hi ka din sa driver.
Hi,
Driver. Oh, wala kami driver oh. Grabe.
Dad. Dad, anong feeling na sa loob ng Waymo? Wala tayong driver.
Ito, kinakabahan.
Kinakabahan.
Pero tiwala lang.
Kinakabahan.
Tiwala lang. Tiwala lang.
Bahala na si Waymo.
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 Ayan oh, na-detect rin niya yung kaibigan niya oh. Nandito
Safe
sa
ba?
ano oh, ayan oh.
Please
Kita
make
sa
us safe.
monitor.
Traffic ko, arrival in 19 minutes.
Traffic.
We don't have any driver here. It's invisible driver. We're heading to